Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're talking about here is the SUTTNER ST53 and 54 twin lances. Now as you look at these three here, what we've got is three different types. Now these are all stainless steel right the way through, so all of it is stainless steel. So when I rave on about stainless steel, what I'm saying is stainless steel stays the same way, but the main thing about it is it doesn't go rusty inside the pipes. So if you dropped a steel lance or anything else like that, the nozzle's going to get dirt in the end of it, because what's happening is the chamber itself, it's vibrated, dropped off, and it goes down the line, and before you know it, you've got dirty water coming through. You won't find the same amount if it's stainless steel all the way through. When you first start your machine, you won't see the brown, dirty, horrible water. So this first one, got the regulator on the top of it. Now, speaking the other day about nozzles and everything else, same thing again. So this bottom one, if this is closed off now, the only chamber it's going to come out of is the bottom one. So you'd have your high pressure jet that goes into there that suits your machine size. So it's working at full pressure, whether it's a turbo nozzle or a normal nozzle. The top one, so when you unscrew the top one anti-clockwise, what you're doing is letting the water flow and it comes through here, but it's also still coming through this one. So both the pipes are still allowing water through. What you normally have in the top of it is a larger jet. Don't have to have it, you can have another spray pattern that suits yourself for your jet. But like I say, you normally have a wider spray pattern angle on the top. So that there. Now, if this ever gets worn and knocked on the top, very simple and straightforward to do, which I've done a video for, just replace it for the cost of it before you start putting pliers on or anything else I've seen over the years and so on. Stainless steel. So if we're putting a spigot onto the system so it's quick release, or straight onto the gun if it's spigoted, glue, Loctite, and just screw this on gently, leave it to set for 15-20 minutes, half an hour, and off you go. And that is with the spigot gun. If you want to, there's nothing to stop you from screwing the lance straight into a gun. We've then got the next lance, same again, stainless steel all the way through, same threads, 1/4 inch on both of these. So this is slightly different. We class this as above and below. So you've got your side handle, that's facing that way, anti-clockwise again to open it, and what simply happens is, if that's open, you've got both the pipes with water flowing through it. Jet again, what suits yourself, your high pressure jet in the bottom, and the jet that suits you for your job on that side. Now if you use it this way, what you're also doing is, you're not having to lower the pressure, you're controlling it, you're getting maximum volume of water that your machine's producing, and you're lowering the pressure down, but you're getting maximum volume of water, and you're not spraying everywhere. All the parts for these lances are all available, so if anything does get knocked off or anything else like that, squashed, it can be replaced. So this one is side by side like a shotgun. As you can see, the handle, it faces that way, open, and allows water coming through both chambers. And like I say, so that there is sat on the gun and it's in that angle, so it's sat that way. So as you're using it, it's there in front of you, like that. Not that way, that way. And the lens themselves, it's the same again. You've got your jets in the end, the high pressure one that suits you, yeah, and the other one. Stainless steel, like I keep saying, there to last, built to last. If you're screwing it straight on, same again, PTFE tape it you can do into that side of it, so that can be PTFE tape, but same again, if you want to get set it just right, glue it. I don't like glue, hate glue. Hate glue. If I can not use glue, I don't use it. I class it as a quick man's job that don't care less. Yeah, but like I say, certain things have to have glue, and that's the way it is. If you're doing with this, never PTFE tape a spigot on, because it will crack that spigot. A little line will appear after a short period of time, because what you've got there, even though this is a stainless steel, it is a straight thread. Mainly steel threads have a bit of a taper on, so they go wider out. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that's the SUTTNER ST53, ST54 stainless steel lances. A variation that what suits you for your job. Thank you.